Understanding, I promise to do it, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but powerful phrase in the English language. I promise to do it. Understanding not just the literal meaning, but also the context and implications of this phrase, can really help you communicate more effectively in English. So, let's get started. The phrase, I promise to do it, is a commitment or a guarantee that you will do something in the future. When you say this, you're not just stating your intention, you're giving your word. The key components here are, I promise, and, to do it. I promise signals a strong commitment, while, to do it, specifies the action you're committing to. Promises are a fundamental part of interpersonal communication. They build trust and reliability. When you make a promise, you're telling someone that they can count on you. Breaking a promise can have the opposite effect, damaging trust and your credibility. Therefore, it's crucial to only make promises you can keep. Using, I promise to do it, should be reserved for situations where you are absolutely sure you can fulfill the commitment. It's often used in personal, professional, and academic contexts. For example, in a personal context, I promise to call you when I arrive. In a professional context, I promise to complete the report by tomorrow. In an academic context, I promise to submit my assignment on time. Remember, the power of a promise lies in its fulfillment. It's important to note that the weight of a promise can vary across different cultures. In some cultures, a promise is as binding as a legal contract, while in others, it might be taken more lightly. Understanding the cultural context of the person you're speaking to can help avoid misunderstandings. I promise to do it is a powerful phrase that should be used thoughtfully and responsibly. Making and keeping promises can greatly enhance your credibility and the trust others place in you. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more effectively in your English communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.